Before you buy MUSSO, there are 7 things you need to know. If you're considering this product, you'll want to stick around until the end. I'll dive into the features, pricing, and compare it to other similar products so you can make the most informed decision possible. Now, before we get started, if you're looking for the best offer for MUSSO, you can try it out for free with exclusive benefits by clicking the first link below. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. So, let's jump into it. The first thing you need to know is that MUSSO stands out because of its user-friendly interface. Compared to many competitors in the same category, MUSSO doesn't overwhelm you with a ton of features right off the bat. Its simplicity is one of its strongest points, and that's something you don't always find with other products. I've used other similar software, and many can feel cluttered and unintuitive. MUSSO's interface is clean, minimal, and easy to navigate. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it's designed for smooth operation, and that's a big plus when you're looking for a hassle-free experience. Next thing, MUSSO's customization options. While some competitors force you into predefined templates, MUSSO lets you personalize and adjust the software to fit your needs. If you want to tailor workflows or integrate with specific tools you already use, MUSSO offers a great deal of flexibility. Many other products can leave you feeling boxed in, but MUSSO allows you to tweak things just the way you want. The third thing is pricing structure. It's pretty competitive, especially when compared to its major competitors. What I like most about MUSSO's pricing is its transparent cost model. No hidden fees, no surprise upsells. A lot of similar platforms have tiered pricing that can get confusing or end up being way more expensive than expected. With MUSSO, what you see is what you get. They also offer a free trial, so you can try it out and see if it's the right fit for your needs before making a commitment. Next thing, customer support. This is often where many products fail to deliver, but MUSSO does a great job in this area. Whether you're having trouble with a feature or need guidance, their support team is responsive and professional. I've tested it, and they've been quick to help with any inquiries I had. That's a huge deal when you're using software for business purposes or for any kind of important task. Many competitors leave you hanging with slow or unhelpful support, but that's not the case here. The fifth thing to mention is integration capabilities. MUSSO integrates with a wide variety of tools, which is a must if you're managing multiple platforms. Whether it's CRM tools, email platforms, or scheduling apps, MUSSO makes sure you're connected. Some competing products can be limited in this regard, forcing you to either work around certain platforms or just manually handle tasks. MUSSO eliminates this hassle and ensures you can centralize all your processes in one place. The sixth thing to consider is security features. With data breaches being a growing concern, it's critical to ensure your software keeps your information safe. MUSSO uses robust encryption and security protocols, something that isn't always guaranteed with other similar software. With MUSSO, you don't have to worry about your data being compromised. It's designed to meet high security standards, making it a reliable option for businesses and individuals alike. And finally, the last thing you need to know is the learning curve. Unlike some of its competitors, MUSSO offers a quick ramp-up period. I've tested this myself, and it's refreshing to see how fast you can get up to speed. Some software options in this space can take a long time to learn and require you to go through long tutorials. MUSSO, however, does a good job of guiding you through without overwhelming you with unnecessary details. So, if you want to try out MUSSO for yourself, make sure you click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial offer and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see what MUSSO can do for you.